First, back side open, unscrew and open the cover, and as you can see the code number 2 here to reach the thermocouple, and then 2 tiny screw and unscrew and carefully pull out like this. The second, and then remove the top cover and look like this, and then one sensor and one metal tiny box and out, and then sensor is here, the unscrew, and then carefully pull this in like this. Also, to connect the 2 black wire and unscrew here to here, and then remove the only black wire like this. Third, the inside chamber, and then look at this 1, 2, 3, 4 is screw and unscrew. After unscrew the 4 screw, and then carefully move the just a little bit heavier the ceramic chamber. Like this. And also broken the heating element replacement.